because it's kind of long. Number 16. It says refer to scenario 305.10 from the transformer, the smallest GEC to steel. Okay, that's 250.66. Okay, since it's going to steel, it will be directly out of that section. And all we really have to do is take all of our ungrounded conductors and add them up. Okay, it seems like a daunting problem, but I'm going to show you how to break it down real quick. And then I'm just going to slam the math out, at least the basic portion of it. Or maybe I'll just list it, I don't know. I'll show you how to do it. In order to find these, we're going to utilize Chapter 9, Table 8. Because they couldn't have been so kind as to give us KC mill values, they gave us aught. American wire gauge, thanks a lot. Okay, so it says a 500 kVA 480 delta to 12208 Y3 phase 4-wire transformer is to be installed. You have decided to ground and bond everything in the transformer enclosure. That's great, good to know. A lot of extra information here. It says one set of secondary conductors is installed from the transformer to a 400 amp main breaker panel board. There will be 2 parallel conductors. Each will contain 3 aughts. Okay, so we have 2 3/0. Okay, we're just going to make a list. So what you would do is go to Chapter 9, Table 8, and get the circular mills of a 3/0. In fact, you'll do that for all of these various ones and add them up. A second set of secondary conductors is installed to a 225 amp main breaker panel board. 1 conduit will be installed. The conduit will contain 4/0. Okay, so I have 1 4/0. This is just making a list. That's all it is. Okay, next one says a third set of secondary conductors is installed from the transformer to a 600 amp safety switch fused at 500 amps. 3 parallel conduits will be there, and each has 2/0 in it. Okay, so I have 3 2/0. And finally, in this nightmare of a question, a 4th set of secondary conductors are going to a 400 amp panel board that contains a 300 amp main. There will be 2 parallel conduits that contain 1/0. Okay, so 2 1/0. So all you're going to do is go to Chapter 9, Table 8, find the various ones here and add them up. 2 3/0, 1 4/0, 3 2/0, and 2 1/0. And you're just going to turn them into one big ass conductor. Okay, and that big ass conductor happens to be 1158 circular mills or KC mill. Cool. If you're adding it up, it's 1,157,700. You can take that up to 1158, or you can take the 1157.7. It doesn't really matter, because once we go to 250.66, remember anything over 1100, right? 250.66 just gets that 3/0. Okay. Lot of question there for how that ended up answering. Okay, so cut the fat of a question like this. This question has a lot of fat in it. Like, they're giving us so much extra information, it's ridiculous. Just cut through the fat, find what you need to find, add it up, call it a day, move on. Okay.